May I come in?
So that was just only for fun. Okay, nowadays KGF chapter 2 teaser is on trending. So as a South Indian movie lover, I just made it for you. Okay. So let's start this video. Hello everyone and welcome. I am Pushpak Pandit and you are watching me on my YouTube channel Being Bookish. Okay, so this is the third video of the Java series which I am making. In the second video, I have told you how to write a basic Hello World program, and this is the third video in which I am going to discuss what is the difference between System.out.print and System.out.println statement. I think most of you might be familiar with these two things, which are System.out.print and System.out.println. But if you are not familiar, don't worry, I am here to help you with that. Okay, so starting with the first thing, that the basic similarity is what? They both work as same. They both work as same means both are used to print a statement. Both are used to print a statement. Okay, if you want to print any statement in the output, so you would be needing to write this statement. Okay, whatever is the statement which you require, you write here in these using these two statements. But the most important dissimilarity is that this statement just prints, but this statement, with the advantage of printing, it also creates a new line. Okay, it also gives a new line. What does that mean? Let's take an example. Okay, suppose I write System.out.println being. Okay, suppose I write being and let me write here Bookish. What is going to be the output? See here, the output would be being and Bookish, like this. This is going to be the output of this statement. The output is like this because after printing this statement, it did not give any new line. What does that mean? Means after this statement you can see that the new print statement, whatever was written inside it, got written after this statement, it got written. Okay, but suppose you want that after being the Bookish should be printed here. Okay, so what you need to do for that, you just need to write here ln, and now the output would be being and the Bookish will be placed here, means in the new line. So basically print ln means what? Print line, but you can remember it like whenever print ln is written, okay, the statement after that would be printed on the next line. ln, kindly you can remember it like ln is for new line. Okay, nl, new line, something like that. Okay, so how the output got like this being and after that Bookish? Because we have used print ln statement, and this statement told the first thing is that being will be printed, and along with it one more thing is there, that it is telling to this statement that whatever is the statement after this, Okay, whatever is the print statement after this statement would be printed on the next line, and so we have written this line, and this line output got executed in the next line. I hope that you are getting cleared with the concept that what was the difference between System.out.print and what was the difference between System.out.println. Okay, let us take some more examples to clarify you. Okay, in order to clarify you, I am going to take few questions and you should answer me what is going to be the correct option. Also, I would go deeper now. Okay, how deeper? See here. First of all, what will be the output of these statements? Okay, see, if you are confused that why we are not writing class or that, see, all that is required to execute the whole Java program. Okay, let me clear you here only. These are just for practicing output, so I am just writing the statement, but you will always have to write class name, that curly bracket and all that, whatever is the required. Okay, now what is going to be the answer of this statement? System.out.print being System.out.print Bookish. I hope that most of you might have answered this question. Okay, and it is wrong. Why it is wrong? See, I told you I would go much deeper. Neither this is correct nor this is also correct. Why they are both wrong? See, by the help of this statement we would be able to print being. Okay, and by the help of this statement, because there is no new line, so the next statement would be printed in the same line. Okay, I hope that you could answer this question. Okay, the next statement would be printed in the same line. Okay, so the real output would be like this, being bookish. They both will have no gap in between. Okay, they would have no gap in between. That is why I called it deeper. I will go a little deeper because I have not given any space here. Okay, suppose I give here one space. Okay, there is no space, but now I am giving one space. So in the output also there will be one space, and then the word bookish will be displayed. Okay, so to find the output you will have to be very much clear about what the concepts are. Okay, now let us take the second example. So here comes the second question, which is this: System.out.print being System.out.println Bookish. Now think and please answer me correctly. What is the correct option between these? Thought? See, I think most of you who are just beginner might have opted this answer, but this answer is wrong. This answer is not correct and this is correct. And if you have chose this option, then you are correct. Okay, congrats. Why this option? If you have not understood, see, the statement simply asks to print being, to just print being. So we will print being. But does it ask to give a new line? Does it ask to give a new line? Concentrate on this line. Okay, concentrate on this line, that does this line ask to give a new line? No, it just asks the statement to just print, so it just got printed, and so whatever is the next line, that will not get printed in the next line, rather it will be printed after this. So bookish. Okay, now important thing is that this line asks to print as well as to give a new line. Okay, so suppose if I write System.out.print after and print something, then that statement will be printed in the next line, because this line asks that after printing this statement, kindly give a new line. Okay, please concentrate here and write it down in your notebook. These are good examples. Okay, so I hope that you are getting cleared. Now let us take the third question. Now this is the third question. Okay, let me write here 3, and what is going to be the output of this statements. Read. Okay, so are you finding the answer which you are requiring? Because I hope that by now you must have got that neither this statement is correct nor this statement is correct. Okay, the correct option is here. Okay, the correct option is here. This is the answer which I think you must be looking for. Okay, so if you were looking for this answer, then very much, okay, you are in good progress. Okay, so this is the answer. Why? Let me explain this also. Because this statement asks not only to print but also to give a new line for the next statement that should be printed out. Okay, so thus being got printed, and it also gave a new line. It also gave a new line, so this statement got printed here. Okay, now see the last question of the video. So this is the fourth question, an important question also. Why? First of all, give me the answer that what is going to be the output of these statements. Okay, this is KGF chapter 2. Okay, I have written System.out.println KGF. Now in the second line, System.out.println chapter 2. Say the main motive to give the question is that till now we have only given some words. Okay, but I wanted to clear that you can also print any number also, you can give any number also, and that will also get printed. So the motive to give this question is that only. Okay, so what is going to be the output of this program? I think most of you must have chosen which option? Second option. Yes, very good. This is the answer for these statements, because this line says that print and give a new line. So print and give a new line, and so the next statement got executed here in this line. Now one more question, that is this the answer for this? Is this the answer for this statement? Obviously not. First of all, it is not printed in the two lines. It got printed in the single line only. But I want to concentrate you here. Why? Because you can see clearly that KGF all are written in capital letter, but here KGF is already written in capital, but here chapter is written in small and chapter here is written in capital. So you may find these type of options also. So kindly clear that what is the option. Okay, because whatever you are writing in the System.out.print, that only gets printed. Okay, if all are in capital letter, in the print we will get the all in capital letter only. If something is small and something is big, then that type of thing will get printed in the output. I hope that you are understanding what am I trying to say. Okay, so I hope that you understood each and every point which I tried to give you in this video. And if you are new to the channel, have a reminder that if you have not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, meet you in the next video.